Today we'll be rating a horror game tier list. So here's the tier list. At S tier, Resident Evil 4. Pretty good game, but a bit scary. Next tier, Silent Hill 2. Then we have Outlast. Then Resident Evil. Then we have Resident Evil 2. Then Amnesia. Evil Within. I haven't played this Evil Within game before. Then we have Silent Hill. Then Walking Dead. Then Braid. Then we have FNAF at C tier. And at S tier, we have Friday the 13th, Resident Evil 2. And there are games that we haven't played yet. Dead Space, Saw, Lone Survivor, Alone Dark, Walking Dead. Then Interested, Umbrella Corps, Shell Shock, Zombie, Walking Dead again, Jericho, Alone Dark, Clock Tower. There are other tier lists here that we can see. This S tier is Resident Evil 4, then Silent Hill 2, Resident Evil again, then Fatal Frame, then what's this? I haven't seen this one. Then, that's the tier lists of this game. Then we have The Thing. There's a game for The Thing. I know there's a movie. Ah. Anyway, that's all for the ranking. Just put algorithm. That's all. Thank you. Bye.